Hello students. Students, you have learned before how to convert hours into minutes. Also, you have learned how to convert minutes into seconds. Okay, we have solved example. Now we will learn in this session how to convert weeks into days. Okay student, so see here, we will see here how to convert days and weeks, conversion of days and weeks, days. Okay, remember that to convert weeks into days, multiply by 7. Okay, so let's see one example. Okay, then you will understood better. Look here, convert 5 weeks into days. So let's see solution. We know that 1 week is equal to 7 days. So 5 weeks is equal to 5 multiplied by 7. 5 sevens are 35 days. 5 weeks is equal to 35 days. Okay students. So now we will solve exercise 6. Okay. Let's see first example. Convert into days. Okay. First question is convert into days. So see first example. 6 weeks. Okay, so see its solution. We know that 1 week is equal to 7 days. So 6 weeks is equal to, we multiply 6 by 7 days. 6 sevens are 42 days. So 6 weeks is equal to 42 days. Okay, now see next example. 9 weeks 3 days. Okay, so we know that 1 week is equal to 7 days. So 9 weeks is equal to 9 multiplied by 7. 9 sevens are 63 days. But here 9 weeks and 3 days are given. Okay, so 9 weeks means 63 and we add into 3. 63 plus 3, 66 days. So here we convert 9 weeks 3 days into 66 days. Okay, now see next example. 12 weeks 2 days. Okay, so 1 week is equal to 7 days. So 12 weeks is equal to 12 multiplied by 7 days. 12 sevens are 84 days. Okay, so here 12 weeks 2 days. So 12 weeks means 84. In that we add 2. 84 plus 2, 86 days. So here we convert 12 weeks 2 days into 86 days. In this way, in first question, we convert weeks into days. How to convert understood? By multiplying 7. Okay, now we will see next example. Second is word problem. Okay, so first we read it carefully. The school holidays are for 8 weeks 2 days. How long in days are the holidays? Look here student, once time again we read it carefully. The school holidays are for 8 weeks 2 days. How long in days are the holidays? Look here student, here holidays are given in weeks and days and we want answer in days. So we have to convert 8 weeks 2 days into days. How to convert? We have just learned. Okay, so see its solution. 1 week is equal to 7 days. So 8 weeks is equal to 8 multiplied by 7. 8 sevens are 56 days. Okay, so 8 weeks 2 days is equal to 8 weeks means 56 days. Into that we add 2. 56 plus 2, 58 days. Here ask how long in days are the holidays. So what will be the answer? So the holidays are 58 days. So understood how to solve example given in exercise 6. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Okay, to convert days into hours, we have to multiply by 24. Look here student, to convert days into hours, multiply by 24. Okay, so see here example, convert 6 days into hours. Convert 6 days into hours. So student, let's see its solution. We know that 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 6 days is equal to 6 multiplied by 24. So see here, if you know the table of 24, 24 6 are 144. So 6 days is equal to 144 hours. Okay, 6 days is equal to 144 hours. In this way, we convert days into hours. Now, we will solve exercise 7. Okay, look here, we will solve exercise 7. So, see first question, convert into hours. So, see first example, 4 days. Students, we know that 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Okay, so 4 days is equal to 4 multiplied by 24 hours. 24 4s are 96. Okay, so 4 days is equal to 96 hours. See student, how we convert? 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 4 days is equal to 4 multiplied by 24. We get product 96 hours. Okay, now see next example. 11 days. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 11 days is equal to 11 multiplied by 24 hours. Okay, 24 multiplied by 11. 4 ones are 4 and 2 ones are 2. Okay, we put 1 0. 4 ones are 4, 2 ones are 2. 4 plus 0, 4, 2 plus 4 plus 2, 6, 2. So here we get answer 264. Okay, so 11 days is equal to 264 hours. Now we will solve next example, 15 days. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Okay, so 15 days is equal to 15 multiplied by 24. Here we will multiply 24 by 15. 15 4s are 60, 0, carry over 6. 15 2s are 30, 30 plus 6, 36. So we get here answer 360. So 15 days is equal to 360 hours. So see now next example, 30 days. Okay, so see its solution. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 30 days is equal to 30 multiplied by 24. So here we multiply 24 by 30. Okay, 3 4s are 12, 2 carry over 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 and put 1 0. So we get product 720 hours. Okay, 30 days is equal to 720 hours. Now see next example, 8 days 2 hours. Okay, we know that 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 8 days is equal to 8 multiplied by 24 hours. 24 8s are 192 hours. Okay, so 8 days 2 hours is equal to 192 plus 2, 194 hours. So 8 days 2 hours is equal to 194 hours. Okay, now see next example, 9 days 5 hours. We know that 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 9 days is equal to 9 multiplied by 24. 24 9s are 216 hours. Okay, so 9 days 5 hours is equal to 9 days means 216 into we add 5. So 216 plus 5, 221 hours. So 9 days 5 hours is equal to 221 hours. In this way, first question we solve. Okay, we convert days into hours by multiplying 24. Now we will see next example. Second example is word problem. Okay, look here, a train takes 2 days 3 hours to reach Hyderabad. How much time does it take in hours? See student, a train takes 2 days 3 hours to reach Hyderabad. How much time does it take in hours? So here time is given in days and hours. Okay, and we ask here answer in hours. So here we have to convert 2 days 3 hours into hours. Okay, so see its solution. So we know that 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Okay, So 2 days is equal to 2 multiplied by 24. 24 2s are 48 hours. Okay, but here we want to find 2 days and 3 hours into hours. 2 days means 48. In that we add 3. 48 plus 3, 51 hours. So here what they ask, how much time does it take in hours? So what will be the answer? Thus, it take 51 hours to reach Hyderabad. Okay, understood how to solve this word problem. Now see next word problem. I stayed with my grandparents for 5 days 12 hours. How many hours did I spend with my grandparents? See student, once time we will read that example. I stayed with my grandparents for 5 days 12 hours. How many hours did I spend with my grandparents? Okay, so here question is given in days and hours and we have to find answer in hours. So here we have to convert days and hours into hours. Okay, so let's see solution. We know that 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 5 days is equal to, so multiply 5 by 24. 24 5s are 120 hours. So 5 days 12 hours means 5 days means 120 plus 12 132 hours. Okay, so here they ask how many hours did I spend with my grandparent. So what will be the answer? Thus I spent 132 hours with my grandparents. Okay, now see next example, fourth. It is also word problem. Pooja posted a letter to her cousin. The letter reached her cousin after 6 days. How many hours did it take for the letter to reach Pooja's cousin? Okay, Pooja posted a letter to her cousin. The letter reached her cousin after 6 days. So how many hours did it take for the letter to reach Pooja's cousin? Look here, the time is given in days and we have to find the answer in hours. So let's see solution. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 6 days is equal to 6 multiplied by 24 hours. So 24 6 are 144. Okay, so what they ask in example, how many hours did it take for the letter to reach Pooja's cousin? Okay, so what will be the answer? Thus, it took 144 hours for the letter to reach Pooja's cousin. Okay, students, so here by converting days into hours, we have solved example which is given in exercise 7. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.